I'm thrilled to explore the innovative world of BigGraph AI technologies today. We're at the forefront of a paradigm shift that's transforming the way businesses operate. BigGraph AI is contributing to this transformation. In this video, we'll explore how it's influencing enterprise intelligence and the future of data-driven innovation by combining generative AI with knowledge graphs, and why this matters for the future of business decision-making. So let's start by talking about the AI revolution that's happening in enterprise decision-making. Traditional AI systems have been transforming how businesses operate, but they've also been facing some serious challenges. Things like fragmented data, lack of context, and poor explainability have been holding back the true potential of AI in enterprise settings. BigGraph AI Technologies has developed a solution that addresses these limitations head-on by structuring enterprise data in a knowledge graph. They're enabling AI to understand context, retrieve precise information, and generate highly accurate responses. It's like giving AI the ability to see the bigger picture and uncover connections that might be overlooked by humans. Now you might be wondering, what makes BigGraph AI so special? Well, at its core is something called EulerRAG, an advanced retrieval augmented generation technique. EulerRAG is more than just a buzzword. It's the driving force behind BigGraph AI's ability to deliver deep, contextual, and real-time AI-driven insights. Instead of AI fumbling around in the dark trying to find relevant information, EulerRAG acts like a high-powered searchlight, illuminating the exact data needed for any given task. It's leveraging multi-agent AI, graph theory, and LLM-powered analytics to unlock hidden value in enterprise data, automate critical processes, and enable real-time data-driven decisions. EulerRAG isn't just an enhancement of existing systems. It's a complete reimagining of how AI interacts with enterprise data. At its core, it leverages a method known as Eulerian path traversal. While the name may sound complex, essentially, this ensures that the AI explores data in a non-redundant, comprehensive way. But that's not all. EulerRAG also employs contextual multi-hop reasoning, which is a way of saying it can connect the dots between multiple interrelated data points. And to top it off, it uses grammar constraints to reduce hallucinations, those pesky AI-generated falsehoods that can lead to misinformation. The result? AI-generated recommendations that are highly accurate, in-depth, and reflect real-world live data insights. Now let's talk about the backbone of BigGraph AI, knowledge graphs and multi-agent systems. You see, BigGraph AI employs what they call agent-driven knowledge graphs. These aren't your average graphs. They interconnect both structured and unstructured enterprise data. BigGraph uses a multi-agent system where distributed AI agents analyze different portions of the graph independently. It's like having a team of super smart detectives, each focusing on their own area of expertise, but all working together to solve a complex case. And the result? A system that can form holistic insights that are far beyond what traditional AI systems can achieve. All right, let's talk about how BigGraph AI plays nice with large language models, or LLMs as we like to call them in the biz. BigGraph AI tackles this by integrating domain-specific LLMs. This ensures that when the AI speaks, it's not just spitting out generic responses, but actually aligning with industry-specific regulations, terminologies, and operational nuances. Unlike standalone LLMs, BigGraph AI's models interact dynamically with live enterprise knowledge graphs. It's like giving the AI a constant feed of the most up-to-date relevant information, and the cherry on top, their LLM agnostic meta-architecture. This means organizations can adopt new AI models without overhauling their entire AI-driven workflow. Now, let's geek out a bit and look at some of the advanced features of EulerRAG. We've already touched on Eulerian path traversal, but there's so much more. For instance, there's the contextual multi-hop reasoning. This isn't just about connecting two dots, it's about seeing the entire constellation of data points and understanding how they all relate to each other. Then we have the grammar constraints for hallucination reduction. This is huge, folks. It's like giving the AI a built-in fact checker, ensuring that what comes out is trustworthy and accurate. And let's not forget about real-time data fusion. This feature allows EulerRAG to seamlessly integrate with live data streams, ensuring timely and relevant AI-generated insights. Let's shift gears and talk about how BigGraph AI is driving automation and enterprise modernization. They've developed these cool things called enterprise modernization agents. Think of them as AI co-pilots that help with everything from legacy to cloud migrations to bridging on-premises systems with modern cloud-native architectures. But it doesn't stop there. These AI co-pilots are also all about workflow optimization. They're in the trenches with employees, automating manual tasks, keeping an eye on key processes, and providing real-time AI-driven recommendations. And the best part? This whole system is scalable across cloud, hybrid, or on-premises environments, all while maintaining robust security and compliance measures. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but what about ethics and compliance? Well, BigGraph AI has thought of that too. They've incorporated what they call Turing computable methods and formal logic frameworks to ensure responsible AI adoption. We're talking built-in privacy safeguards, data encryption, and regulatory compliance measures for things like GDPR, HIPAA, SOX, and PCI DSS. BigGraph AI isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. They've developed domain-tailored AI solutions for key industries. In finance, we're looking at real-time fraud detection and compliance-driven risk assessments. For healthcare, it's AI-assisted clinical decision support and compliant diagnostics. And in supply chain and logistics, we're seeing AI-optimized inventory management and predictive analytics. So, what's the bottom line? What kind of impact are we really talking about here? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. We're seeing a 50% increase in the speed of enterprise decision-making, thanks to real-time AI-assisted analytics. Operational costs are down by 30% due to AI-driven automation and process optimization. And in financial applications, there's been a 60% decrease in false fraud alerts, all thanks to EulerRAG's enhanced AI reasoning capabilities. As we wrap up, it's clear that BigGraph AI Technologies is truly revolutionizing enterprise intelligence by combining the power of generative AI with the structure of knowledge graphs. It's not just about making AI smarter, it's about making businesses smarter, more efficient, and better equipped to face the challenges of tomorrow.